Bye.
Bye, Dad. Love you.
Bye. I love you too. Nice shoes.
What?
Nice shoes.
Thanks.
Let's try to adjust this really quick.
Five minutes later.
Bye.
Bye. Which way are you
Hi.
Hello. Can I help you?
Is there a possibility to get me squeezed in to look at my clutch handle? It's just the little nut at the top.
Okay, what kind of bike is it?
Suzuki Boulevard M109R.
Did you just buy it?
No.
Oh. Okay, 1 second.
Sure. Hi.
What's going on with it?
Well, you guys have changed the clutch cable a couple times, and last time you switched it to like a better nut because I had an aluminum one and it would just they destroy all the time. Well, now this one is at the top, it's like stripped out. I don't know if it's actually another cable I need, or I try to keep it adjusted because when the temperature changes, it really
When it gets warm, you run out of the.
And I'll admit, I ride it super hard. Like, I'm not nice to it. So just saying, I know it's probably half my fault, but
Only speed limit.
yeah. Well,
The
it just seems to like happen all the time. I'd love to go to a hydraulic one, but I know that's probably lots of money. Are the newer ones hydraulic?
Nope.
No, still cable.
now your perch is starting to wear out. The
Okay.
threads are.
Because like I tightened it up and this was stripping like at the top of this. It was like I was-
against. Yeah, because it only goes to like there.
Yeah.
See what that does for you? Like if it gets warm and it's slipping, then it's too tight.
Yeah.
I hate that about these.
Yeah.
Every other bike gets looser as it gets warm. These get tight.
Yeah, they do.
How many miles you got on this thing?
I don't know. I bought it like this. I mean, I did a couple things to it, but it's probably got to be on, huh?
Yeah.
But you do put 20,000.
Nice.
Is that a lot?
I just crossed 21,000 on my ZX14.
It's an 07, so it's not new at all. But
Finally, a bike that gets used.
well, I ride it every day. I ride it down to about 35 years.
That guy spent a lot of money here.
I'm not convinced that is going to fix my problems, but you know, we'll find out. Somebody's texting me like crazy. Sorry, period. I'm at Struthers Brothers. I'm on my way back now. Okay, well, we'll see if she starts at 5 o'clock. I'm gonna guess it won't. See you then. Heyo, it's still hot. 04 initiated. Right glove initiated. Left glove initiated. I started my bike before I got on it and got all my gear because I thought, well, if it doesn't start, get all my gear on, get outside, get it going, and then it not start. It started. Yeah, that's Chris.